Good evening. It's morning. Is it afternoon? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are more than delighted to have you here with us today. I am Lady Olivia Diane of Mobile, Alabama.
And I am Lady Shanae. Hold on. Why we keep on a mess up? Man, lady, man, Viscountess.
You can be...
I am Viscountess Shanae La Oya. Hear the middle name now? La Oya. Can I not say La Toya? Right? Them not say T. Like for A-O.
Sure. Loud.
Shanae La Oya of Kingston, Jamaica.
Oh, wagwan.
We need some Bridgerton ear stuff to make this work. See that now? Come, Livy.
That's good.
Come on.
That's good.
They never have no dreadlocks.
They didn't have dreads. Maybe I could just, like, you know.
I gotta put this here, so. My lord. My lord. See,
All I do is think of you day and night. Hold on.
I just realized we don't have no sense.
I have no breath without you. You consume my every thought, my every breath.
Watch ya.
I love you.
I would love to see Lady Whistledown chat about this.
Girl, chat boat these. Heavens!
Is that a Whistledown?
It is a whistle down. They just delivered it this morning.
Oh, let's see.
Dearest gentle reader.
Yeah, I forgot on Tom. Dearest gentle reader. Yeah, I forgot at the throat. One.
In a thought.
Mm-hmm.
Dearest gentle reader. Yeah, that was it. Hold on, let me get in character. I have seen some of you are quite suffering with your hairstyles these days. For example, Viscountess Shanae La Oya. She tries to do her hair with a ruler. Can you believe she said this about you?
Me?
Oh.
Who nobody? Nobody.
Nobody. Girl, we finna go fight her. Y'all ready?
Let's go.
Not the dress. I am made of whalebone. I cannot move that fast. Cannot.